Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a very simple stylus that can be used with phones or tablets. For this DIY we will need a pen, sticky tape, a earbud and a small piece of foil paper. So first take a earbud and cut out the cotton part from one side. Now take the cotton part and stick it to the nib of the pen with the help of sticky tape. Do not cover the cotton part entirely. Now take a small piece of foil paper and stick it around where you will hold the pen. Make sure the foil paper is touching the cotton and not just the tape over the cotton, because the charge should pass from your hand to the cotton through the foil paper. Our stylus is ready. Just one more step before using it. Take some water and wet the cotton part so that it becomes a good conductor. Now it's time to test it. I'm going to try and write something. Make sure while using the stylus your hand is touching the foil paper. Works perfectly. Now let's try to draw something. Not bad, I guess. You can use it with different tabs to create some cool art or even for photo editing. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and comment your thoughts and suggestions below. Subscribe to the channel to come along the creative journey, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, stay awesome.